How many chairs do you need to seat 4 fathers, 2 grandfathers, and 4 sons?
How many chairs you need to seat 4 fathers?
2 grandfathers and 4 sons.
4 sons. 4 fathers, 2 grandfathers, 6. Right?
Why you say that?
There are like 4 sons already.
You're warm. You're warm?
Warm?
Yeah.
2 fathers, 4 fathers, 2 grandfathers, 4 sons.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's like their grandfathers, fathers. Oh, okay. I need one more because they're like they need their own father. So I'm gonna say 7.